Hi, wanna know how to change straps of your HUAWEI Watch Fit 3? So, as a first step, we would need to take a close look on the back side of our watch. Here, if we will take a really close look, we can see that we got two buttons on each side of these straps. So, these buttons are responsible for the strap, and firstly, to change these straps, we would need to, of course, remove the old one. So, to remove a strap, we would need to hold this button with our nail and then slowly pull the strap to take it out. So let's try it. I'll help myself a little bit with the help of this pin because the buttons are a little bit hard to reach. So we would need to push the button and then slowly pull the strap until it will go off like this. And we can see that we got off one side. Now we would need to do the same process at the second side. So I'll try to show it to you a little bit closer. And this is it. We have successfully taken off both of the strap side. Now the last question is how to put these straps back in. So I don't have any extra ones, so I'll just show you on the same one. So as you can see, it looks like a puzzle. We would need to just simply put the strap on it. We don't need to touch or push any buttons. We would need to just put it in like it was there before. So we can see that we got here a little hole, we got this part which is supposed to go in. We would need to just put it in and a little bit try to move it side to side to fit it in until you'll hear a click, which is confirming that you have successfully fitted the strap in. And now make sure that it's fixed properly. You can see it's not coming off, and now is only left the second side where we would need to do exact same thing. Just put this metal part inside the hole and a little bit move the strap until you hear a little click, just like this. And now we can see that the strap is fixed properly and it's not coming off. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.